students, how are you? Today we want to complete our unit 1, period 2. Here as you see we have 2 exercises. Number 1 can be goal work in groups of 4 or 5, read the passage aloud. Now here we have, this is our lesson. We want to read it aloud, and after reading I want to ask you some questions. So listen or read with me. Here we have, welcome back Amy. I missed you. Did you have a nice time at summer camp? Yes, I had a great time, but I missed you too. Oh dear, what happened to your arm? I fell down and broke it. Amy and Ben came back to Palestine. Rania and Amy were talking. We played all day. Amy was very tired. Then she had an accident. She fell down the stairs of the tree house and broke her arm. How awful. Amy climbed up the stairs of the tree house and fell back down, and then she crashed into the flowers. She banged her head and arm. My friend Anne heard me fall. She called a teacher and I went to hospital. Phew, thank goodness. Amy told Rania about the accident. Amy's friend called a teacher and Amy went to the hospital. Did you still have a good time at summer camp? Oh yes, we had a great time. We played lots of sports and we went swimming every day. Look, my friends wrote their names. Amy and Ben still had fun on their holiday. Amy's arm doesn't hurt anymore. Now, after reading this text, I have some questions. If you look at the first question, who did have an accident? Amy had an accident. That's right. So Amy had an accident. How did the accident happen? How did the accident happen? Amy fell down the stairs. She banged her head and arm. Excellent, that's right. Who did help Amy? Her friend Anne called the teacher. Anne called the teacher, that's right. Was Amy happy or sad at summer camp, and why? Amy was very happy because number 1, she had lots of fun. Number 2, her friends wrote their names on her arm. Does Amy's arm still hurt her? No, it doesn't. Amy's arm doesn't still hurt. Now, after those questions, we want to return to this exercise. We have exercise number 4. هالexercise الموجود معنا بالكتاب كان عنوانه read, then work in pairs and circle the correct words. عندنا تمرين زي ما احنا شايفين. We have 6 sentences بدنا نقراهم ونختار الإجابة الصحيحة. من الخيارين حنختار واحدة. Number 1, Amy broke her arm at summer camp or winter camp. Amy crashed or banged her head and arm. Number 3, Rania rescued or missed Amy. Number 4, Amy jumped or fell down into the flowers. Number 5, Amy climbed up the shelf or stairs of the tree house. Number 6, Amy called or went to the hospital. عندنا هالأسئلة هذه إجابتها طبعا حتكون من الدرس. Number 1 كانت الإجابة Amy broke her arm at summer camp. Excellent, that's right. Number 2, Amy banged her head and arm. Excellent. Number 3, Rania missed Amy. You are right, missed. Number 4, Amy fell down into the flowers. Excellent. Amy fell down into the flowers. Number 5, Amy climbed up the stairs. Excellent. Amy climbed up the stairs of the tree house. The last sentence, Amy went to the hospital. Excellent. Amy went to the hospital. Now احنا هيك بنكون خلصنا period 2. لكن قبل ما نطلع في عنا تمرين very simple. التمرين هذا مطلوب منا انه احنا نمسك هالنوت والقلم ونسجل الإجابة لأنه عبارة عن dictation. Number 1, Amy climbed up the، لو لاحظنا أنا سايبة حرف من بداية الإجابة، من بداية الكلمة، يعني كل كلمة كاتبة فيها حرف واحد، انتوا بدكم تكملوا. Number 2 Amy down. Number 3 Anne see the teacher. Number 4 Amy went to the. So what are the answers؟ الإجابات طبعا حتكون من خلال الكتابة. الإجابة كانت number 1 stairs, number 2 fell, number 3 cold, and number 4 hospital. That's right. So نرجع للتمرين. Amy climbed up the stairs. Amy fell down. Number 3 Anne called the teacher. And number 4 Amy went to the hospital. هاي الإجابات. Now this is our lesson. I hope to see you the next class. So goodbye.